channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to install the SAP in your laptop or in your desktop. So before you install the SAP, so we have to install one particular installer. So here I have that link, so I can forward it to you whenever you comment. Please comment for that if you want to install the SAP in your laptop. So I can send this link to you. So yeah, just click on this link. So when you click on this particular link, so it will open the screen like this. So again click on download, and after you click on that download, so it will again open another screen. Just a permission kind of screen will come. So once you get that particular screen, just it is loading, just wait for a second. Yeah, see, like this you will get one particular pop-up, or it's kind of permission download anyway. So just click on download anyway button. So once you click on that download anyway button, so it will start getting installed and it will show the status of that installation here. Okay, the files, in order to install the SAP, so you have to download these files in your system. So after completing the download, it will show in your downloads. Okay, see here, this is how it will show as a download. It's a you can say zip file. So once you get this particular screen or zip file, double click on this zip file, and yeah, you just close this pop-up. Yeah, here you can see there is a folder. So this folder has to be downloaded in your system, like we have to extract the files. So right click on this and click on the add, you can say extract to a specified folder. So when you click on that, so you either you click on the OK button directly, or you can create another folder wherever you want to download these particular files. So in my case, I have just created one more folder under downloads as a installation files. So like that, even you can do it also, no problem. So once you do that, since I have already downloaded this and I have created the files, I mean the folder, so it's already available here. So double click on this folder, the one which we have already downloaded, and double click on this GUI, double click on this Windows, double click on this Win32, and then here we have an option to install the SAP. So here is the application, just click on setup all. So once you double click, yeah, click on double click and say yes, it's just a permission. Once you click on yes, once you click on the yes, so it will start installing the SAP. Okay, then click on the next, then you click on the select all of this. See, since I have already installed my SAP in this particular system, so I have to, it's not allowing for me, but you need to just click on these options whatever we have here, front end installer. So we have to select all of this, and then you click on the next and finish. So after completing that finish, then you will get one particular logon pad like this. So this particular icon will come in your system. So once the icon is visible in your system, then your installation is successfully done. But after completing this installation, you need to add the server details. Okay, so yeah, in order to run your SAP system, so you need to add the server details. So in my case, I have already added many of the servers, but right now I am going to add another server details in this particular system. So yeah, in your case, this might not be available in your system. So yeah, it will be blank here. So in order to add the server details, you have to click on this create button or the new button. So when you click on the new, yeah, you will get this pop-up like here. Just click on the next directly, and here you need to enter the details of your server. So that who will get, like how you get the server details. So yeah, there are some service providers in the market. Yeah, even if you want, you can comment me also, I can give you the information about the server details. So I'm going to enter now the server details for the SAP. So here is the details. I'm just searching that server details in my mobile. So one second. Yeah, here we need to enter the server details. Like I am going to enter here as the name of the server, as let's say I will enter here as SAP. Uh, why, anything you can enter, it's just a freely describable text. You can enter any text here. So I'm entering here SAP demo, like that I can enter. And here you can enter the application server. like 49.207.10.127. Then instant number, yeah, you can enter this like whatever the server guy or the server provider, they give you these details. Okay, so application server and instant number, and also your system ID you have to enter like EH7. So in my case I got it as EH7, and then click on the next and finish. Okay, so once you complete the finish, see here you can see here demo. Okay, so double click on that SAP demo, and along with that server you will also get the user ID and password. So in my case my user ID is this. I am just entering my user ID, and they have given me the password for this particular SAP user ID. So I am entering the password also. So after entering the password, your system will ask you to enter your own password. Okay, so I am entering my own password here. The first screen, you have to also enter the last screen also, like new password and repeat password, and then click on OK, and again you click on OK. So like this your SAP installation will be done in your laptop. So after coming this, then you can use perform any activity. Like if you are an end user, then you can follow your instructor. Like if you want to post any transaction, like let's say vendor invoice posting, so yeah, enter like the T codes and enter your own company codes, like for example this, and you can perform the transaction post. Yeah, if you are a consultant, then you can go to SPRO, and then you can follow the process whatever you want to perform. So that's all about this particular demo or this particular installation. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please like and comment for my video. Thank you.